Hello, so this is the second video for the time sliding. If you missed the first one, you can check the link just up here for the first video. Now, you have got the slide column, which actually read this and then translate it into another time for you. Now, you don't really need to mess with Sunday, so you don't need to copy this data onto here. So for example, here is 10:15 to 8. I will have to copy this and then Control Shift V. It's in here, and as you can see, it's 7 p.m. closing. But this person is working less hours than normally. Here as well, I'm just going to copy and then I'm going to copy this one and then Control Shift V. Now this one here, I could slide it until it is 9:55 opening, or I can just leave it because Friday is 8 p.m. finish, so I'm going to leave it. So you have got an option um, to actually leave it if you like. Yeah. So for example, here I'm going to copy, Control Shift V, paste it on. At the same time, I'm actually just thinking, do I need to time shift a certain shift? Because sometimes during the day you have got people doing maybe 10 to 4 o'clock. That's when you don't need to time shift. So here I will need to time shift, Control C, Control Shift V. So this person called the test is now done. So I'm going to go to the main tab for his rota. We'll go back to 100%. So the test is here. So I'm going to insert it right column here. And then I actually have done a formula line which will bring up the data from master one. So as you can see, this is what we just done. Now, let's just say we're going to start the time shifting on 8th of March. We're not really. We're not. So I'm going to copy a section, okay, until 20th of March, and then Control Shift V. Now I've actually just time shifted this person. I will do more. You see, this person is on holiday here, so which means you don't need to time shift here. And then I'll do a little bit more. Now let's go to 2021 and see what it will look like for this person called the test. As you can see, you can just easily time shift people just like that. Kept a holiday and then time shift. We have got another spreadsheet called a handout. So this one you can just zoom into a particular date, and I will choose the name of test. And then I think was it the 3rd of March we started. I'm just going to 3rd of March is a Wednesday, so let's just say the 1st of March. Okay, the 8th of March. I should have remembered the date. That was time sliding. So the 8th of March is the time that I've started sliding. So you can literally just print this one out for them. What do you think? I only got 25 seconds left. Well, I hope you like what I'm doing here. I literally just spent 10 minutes to time shift one person just now. Of course, you need to discuss with this person whether they're time shifting or not. Thank you very much. Goodbye.